If you want to go ahead and make changes to a particular photo, but we don't want to destroy certain settings you may have applied over here into this particular photo, then what you can actually do is you can go ahead and then apply and create a virtual copy. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the photos menu, and then here you can see that create virtual copy is an option. Once you do that, a copy of the same photo is created, as you can see right here. So this is one and this is another one, as you can see right here. So you can see that I got two copies right here. So now you can see that it actually came up as a group. So the virtual copy goes within the group of the main photo right here. So let me just click on it, and over here you can make the changes to this particular photo right here. So the original photo that you actually have right here stays as it is. So I can click and you can see the previous effect right here, and click right here again, and then what happens is that you get another photo right here. So now you can create as many virtual copies as you want. So you can go around over here onto photo and create another virtual copy right here, just like this. And then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and change around the color of it, as you can see right here, just like this. And then you simply have that virtual copy right here change out. So you can see that I got three different sort of shades right here, just like this. You can immediately see the difference around over here as I hover over, and it's the same picture and just a virtual copy, meaning it is not creating any duplicates of the file, but just creating a virtual copy right there. And that is how virtual copies can be created inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic in order to work with them. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.